Now, Lok Sabha leader of opposition and of course Congress MP Rahul Gandhi has made a stunning claim which has sparked a massive political war. The Congress leader, who was in Wayanad to take a stock of the landslide situation, alleged that he will soon be raided by the Enforcement Directorate. Taking to X, the Congress MP said that ED insiders have told him that the probe agency is planning a raid against him. This over a speech mentioning Chakravyuh in Lok Sabha during a debate on the budget. In an apparent dig at the probe agency, the Congress MP goes on to write that he is waiting with open arms, chai and biscuits are on him. In fact, while the Congress claims that this is yet another attempt by the BJP using central agencies to stifle the opposition's voice, the BJP now claims that Rahul Gandhi is trying to divert attention of Wayanad from the landslide tragedy.
It's a very well known fact that the Enforcement Directorate is the favorite hatchet agency of this government. It's always unleashed on political opponents. So Mr. Rahul Gandhi himself has faced the harassment of the ED before. So he's perfectly right in saying that he anticipates further harassment because of the government finds it very inconvenient with his presence in Parliament as the leader of the opposition. If the BJP thinks that Mr. Rahul Gandhi is erroneous in his statement, then the ED must behave itself in the future and not harass political opponents.
जब भी कोई सरकार के खिलाफ आवाज उठाता है, निश्चित रूप से उसके पीछे ईडी डाल दी जाती है, उसके पीछे सीबीआई डाल दी जाती है, और यही हेमंत सोरेन जी के साथ हुआ, यही केजरीवाल जी के साथ हुआ, यही मनीष सिसोदिया के साथ हुआ, सत्येंद्र जैन के साथ हुआ, मेरे साथ हुआ। जो इस सरकार के खिलाफ आवाज उठाएगा उसको पकड़ के जेल में डाल देंगे। तो ईडी और सीबीआई का खुलेआम दुरुपयोग हो रहा है।
So it's pretty a time-tested mechanism that they have been using for over, a decade now, ever since they came to power, where they misuse the agencies. Now people of the country have also started to recognize the fact that the ED, CBI, IT is only focusing on the opposition. What is shameful is how these independent agencies have now become dependent on the agenda of the government. And that is why, what the information that he's sharing, he's saying, okay, there is a welcome committee waiting to greet you, which the Prime Minister wants chai pe charcha, we will add biscuits to it.
Now the entire country is today, and certainly Kerala is very, very upset, angry, and wants to know why 300 innocent people have lost their lives and why so many people are going through the suffering. And Rahul Gandhi, in his classic Congress style, wants to distract the topic away from that tragedy, that reasons for the tragedy, to some make-believe imaginary issue that is floating around in his head. So I would say, with all all the humility in my command, this is yet again one more attempt by Rahul Gandhi to distract the people of Wayanad, Kerala and India